similar to what we are doing here. Not all elected government officials are guilty of illegal gambling. May mga gagong government officials, meron din mga gago rin sa service, but not all. We cannot say that to everyone, Mr. Chair. Ako, nag-mayor ako. Pinasara ko yung dalawang sabungan sa amin. Pinahuli ko yun. Pero, but sorry to say, but hindi ho lahat ng government officials walang nagagawa. At saka itong house na to, walang na-accomplish.
I did not say that everybody, local government officials, elected officials, are involved in illegal gambling. My point is, my question was, may nakulong na po ba na mayor or na gobernador na nasasakupan niya yung kanyang lugar na illegal gambling? Wala pa po eh. Well, congratulations po sa mga LGU natin na mga mayor, gobernador, na congressman na wala pong illegal gambling sa kanilang lugar because meron po silang political will. It's called political will, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Chair,
yes,
Mr. Chair, if I may just add. Kasi ho, sir, yung mga binabanggit na number 1,000, 5,000 na nahuli, yan po, sir, ang tawag sa linggo na yan, yung mga piyait. Yan yung mga binabangketa, yan yung mga hampas lupa ng mga mananaya na nahuli na nagtataya ng 5 piso, 10 piso. Meron ka na bang nalalaman o wala pang nababalita na may nahuli na administrator, operator ng illegal gambling? Wala pa, Mr. Chair. And hindi nakapagtataka because yung operator, yung mga management, itinatago yun. Yung hinuhuli lagi ng mga otoridad natin, yung mga nagtataya sa lupa, yung mga 10 piso, 15 pesos, 20 tong each. Pero yung mga management, yung mga leader, yung mga financier, yung mga protector, hindi nakukulong. Wala naman na i-report, Mr. Chair, di ba? Kaya tingin tuloy ng tao, moro-moro lagi itong investigasyon natin because nothing is happening for the longest time. Wala pong nakukulong. May nakulong na po ba na gobernador? May nakulong na po ba na mayor? May nakulong na ba konsehal? May nakulong na ba regional director, provincial director? Wala pa pong nakukulong, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
And that is a big challenge for the PNP who are enforcing the law.
Mr. Chair.
And at the same time, before I acknowledge the recognized Congressman Gomez, just wanted to make a piece on what Congressman Erwin was saying. I think napapaikutan nga talaga tayo dito. And the problem is not only the enforcement of the LGU but also of the enforcement of the PNP, no? And this time, we're not messing around. This time, we need result. And this time, under our leadership, no, and all the members of this committee, we will produce result. And I hope that with that statement of Congressman Tulfo and yung aking advisor, no, I hope that this time malilinis po natin ang hanay ng ating po mga LGUs at ang ating po PNP. Congressman Richard Gomez, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, personally, it would be demeaning to say that this committee, more so this House, has not accomplished anything in investigation similar to what we are doing here. Not all elected government officials are guilty of illegal gambling. May mga gagong government officials, meron din mga gago rin sa service, but not all. We cannot say that to everyone, Mr. Chair. Ako, nag-mayor ako. Pinasara ko yung dalawang sabungan sa amin. Pinahuli ko yun. Pero, but sorry to say, but hindi ho lahat ng government officials walang nagagawa. At saka itong house na to, walang na-accomplish. So what we need to do is really to push the PNP to enforce yung trabaho nila. The CIDG, the regional directors, gawin nila yung trabaho nila. All of us, we need to do our share.
At hindi po tayo magmomoro-moro dito. Siguro I sympathize with Congressman Erwin Tulfo yung kanyang nararamdaman because for so many years talagang walang nangyayari. And I
Mr.
also
Chair.
agree with Congressman Gomez precisely because I became a mayor as well. At nung ako naging mayor, ang ginawa ko po dyan, pinatawag ko lahat ng mga illegalista. Pinulong ko sa opisina ko. Nilagay ko lahat ng mga illegalista dyan, lahat ng mga nabubukos dyan. Dito kayo. Illegal ang ginagawa ninyo, nalalaman natin yan. No? Pero meron tayong legal na mga gambling. Di ba? At alam naman natin na binibiyak nila yan eh. Kilala natin ang lahat ng mga naging illegal sa ating mga bayan. Pag tayo po ay punong bayan, alam natin yan eh. But the problem is, of course, being a mayor, being a governor, or public official, or barangay captain, you have the right, di ba? You have the responsibility to make it right. And I told them, may legal tayo na dapat dalhin doon ang mga taya ng mga tao. Dahil legal yan eh. Ang problem, itong mga illegal, binibiyak nila yan. Ha? At ilalagay nila doon sa hindi sila nagbabayad ng buwis. And that's the problem. And they know it. They know it. Alam ito ng mga opisyal ng ating mga LGU. Hindi ba pwedeng hindi mo kilala yung mga gumagawa ng illegal sa iyong bayan? Ako, kilala ko ang gumagawa ng illegal sa aking bayan. And I'm worried, no? I'm worried. Dahil nakita natin ng data, and I'll be asking the PNP, Region 4, you have to dissect. You have to categorize all of this by province, by municipality. Para makita natin kung sino ang pinakamataas sa illegal gambling, makita natin kung sinong bayan, istasyon, ang pinakamatataas sa buong Region 4. Nasa ganon, makita natin sino ang hindi tumutupad at sino ang tumutupad. So, Congressman Erwin Tulfo, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair, I just want to clarify. I did not say that everybody, local government officials, elected officials, are involved in illegal gambling. My point is, my question was, may nakulong na po ba na mayor or na gobernador na nasasakupan niya yung kanyang lugar na illegal gambling? Wala pa po eh. Well, congratulations po sa mga LGU natin na mga mayor, gobernador, na congressman na wala pong illegal gambling sa kanilang lugar because meron po silang political will. It's called political will, ladies and gentlemen. If you really don't want it, then it won't happen if you're the mayor. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I haven't been a mayor or a governor, but I was in the media before, but I know what's going on. If you are the governor or the mayor, you're the father of the province, you are the father of the city. If you said no, then it is no. Kasi po, pag sinabi ho ng mayor ni governor, ayoko ng illegal, hindi. Pero may mga instances naman na tinatrabaho or pinapayagan naman ng PNP, ng chief of police natin, or hanggang sa provincial director o hanggang sa regional director, na hindi rin alam ng LGU natin. Yun ho minsan nagkakaproblema. Pero kung talagang rampant ang illegal gambling, siguro dito sa Region 4 na sinasabi yun ninyo, siguro may basbas ho yun ng mayor, may basbas ho ng gobernador, alam ho ni RD, hindi naman makapalag si RD, or yung PD, kasi baka matransfer si PD, sabi ni gobernador, palayasin mo ito Chief PNP, o kuan, kailangan palitan ito DILG dahil hindi sumusunod sa akin. So natatakot. Let us all understand na itong mga pulisyo na ito ay administratively are still under with the power of the mayor, the governor. So susunod ho yan. Pero pag sinabi ho ni mayor, I don't like it, I don't want it, walang sugalan. Marami naman ho mga cities and provinces sa Pilipinas na wala pong sugalan because ayaw po ng mayor, ayaw po ng governor. Okay? Pag ayawan ho ng governor, mayor ho yan, wala ho yan. Titigil ho yan. Trust me, Mr. Chair. Thank you.